Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and I'm in the kitchen today, and I'm going to make a really easy 3-ingredient cookie recipe. Now, I'm using bananas, very ripe bananas that I have here, and I'm using oatmeal. I'm using peanut butter chipits because I don't have chocolate chipits. So that is a substitute on my part. And then I always like to add cinnamon and vanilla to my recipe. So that's optional. So that makes 5 ingredients for me, but you don't need those extra 2 ingredients for this. So I'm going to start by adding my bananas, my really ripe bananas, into my mixer. And then I'm going to just add my oatmeal to this after I get this mixed all up. So we'll start by mixing up my bananas. So I have my bananas mixed in here, and I went ahead and I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of the cinnamon. But now for the recipe as it is, I am adding my 1 3/4 cups of my oatmeal. And I'm going to mix that together. While that is mixing, I have my cookie sheet out here, and I have lined it with a piece of parchment paper, and I have my oven on at 350, so that's all ready to go. So now I'm going to add in my 1/2 cup of my substitute peanut butter chipits. And we'll mix that together. So this is what the recipe looks like when it's all put together. And now we're going to put it onto our parchment paper with a spoon. And I just use another little spoon. And now because these cookies will not spread, I'm just pressing it down just a little bit. So I'm going to carry on with this. This is what they're looking like so far. And I'll carry on with this, and then I'll be back. So here they are out of the oven now. And don't they look good? Oh my goodness. And I'm sure they are going to be very good. So I'll just take them off the parchment paper. And the parchment paper was not greased either. And as you see, they just come right off. And I cooked these for about 11 minutes, the size of mine, but I think the recipe said anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. So you'll want to watch your oven and check them just to be sure. So my recipe made 18 cookies, and they're really good. They're kind of chewy, so if you like them that way, a little bit soft and chewy. If you like them a little bit more crispier, maybe you could just cook them for maybe a minute longer. I got this recipe from my son. He found it online, and he too was making his. So he told me to send him a picture when I finished mine. So I'm going to send him a picture of mine now. He used chocolate chips. I used peanut butter chipits. So thanks for watching, and please give me a big thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share with your friends, and thanks again for watching, and always remember to be kind. Bye now.